Good morning, students. Let me start with a story. One day, little Albert brought a note from school. Now, Albert was too young to even read, so he asked his mother, Pauline, to read it to him. As Pauline read the note, tears rolled down her cheeks. On asking by Albert, she said that your teacher has written a note that you are so smart for the entire class that she cannot teach you anything and you are going to change the world. And from then onwards, Albert was homeschooled. Years later, when Albert was a great scientist, he got the note. His mother has already died. On reading the note, he was shocked. The same note which was from the teacher, read that your son asks a lot of questions and is never going to amount to anything in life. So we are expelling him from school. That scientist, my dear children, was Albert Einstein. And you know that he is one of the Nobel Prize winner and one of the foremost scientific names in the 80s. So even the teachers had decided that he could not amount to anything. Then what was different about Einstein? Remember the sentence. Just I'll re-quote the sentence for you. He asks a lot of questions. That is what today is about. Asking the questions. Today, children, is 20th Feb. Is celebrated as National Science Day. Now, I am not going to discuss about the history or how did it get started or what the day is about. We are going to discuss what really is science. And no, I am not talking about the science in the books. No, it's not about climate, it's not about soil, it's not about animals, it's not about the laws, various laws mentioned. No. Then what is science? In simple words, I can say that it's the desire to know and understand, the desire to get the answers of how things around us even work. Everyone is a scientist. A plumber is a scientist. He finds the way to mend that broken taps we have. An electrician is a scientist. Do you think he has studied that much? No. Most of the electricians have not. How is he a scientist? And I can bet that an experienced electrician will work much better than those doctorate scientists. Why? Because he has experience. That is what the science is about. Even an accountant is a scientist. Everyone is a scientist. If you have the desire to know and get the answers, you are a scientist. If you question how things work around you, you are a scientist. If you want to know what things around you are made up of, you are a scientist. And you can get that from experience. You can become a scientist from experience. But remember this thing, children. Even experience fails to teach when there is no desire to learn. If you do not have a desire to learn, if you do not have a desire to get the answers, you are not a scientist. Let us be scientists. Let us on this National Science Day take an oath that we will be scientists. We will be asking the questions. We will be having that desire to know the answers. Now, I am not saying the answers to questions like what your neighbors are doing or what your relatives have bought or what your colleagues or classmates are up to. No, you understand that, right? Let us take that oath. Alrighty then. Good day.